The natural state is getting hundreds of millions of federal dollars to pay for road construction here in our area.
Much needed too, and we're told securing the grants are thanks in part to a lot of legwork done in Washington by local congressmen. KNWA's Casey Smith in studio, and you spent the day crunching the numbers. Joining us in studio, and Casey, up and down I-49, that corridor, that area should reap the benefits.
Yeah, that's right, Doug and Allie. 4 different projects as far north as Benton County to as far south as Alma and Barling. They're going to be seeing a series of construction projects all paid for by those federal grants.
This funding means that we are able to deliver projects faster to the citizens of Arkansas.
Traffic growth in northwest Arkansas and the River Valley is undeniable.
The growth contributes significantly to the need for these projects.
And to account for the growth, roadway expansion projects have become all the norm.
Those projects are needed to accommodate for the economic development and the growing population in that region of the state.
But northwest Arkansans and River Valley residents alike aren't having to foot the bill for a portion of upgrades to projects. Thanks to the federal government granting more than $91 million to the Arkansas Department of Transportation, with nearly $60 million going toward the final section of the Springdale Northern Bypass alone.
Its impact to Springdale primarily is taking traffic off of the existing 412.
And while it diverts drivers away from Highway 412, with the final phase set to branch off Highway 265 and pick up Highway 412 near Sonora, Springdale Mayor Doug Sprouse thinks the new roadway will alleviate congestion and help businesses along Highway 412.
You don't want people avoiding a business thoroughfare because because there's so much congestion, and getting a lot of trucks, a lot of through traffic that really doesn't plan to stop in Springdale anyway. Getting them around Springdale is huge for Springdale.
The River Valley isn't left out, though, getting more than $18 million as construction continues in the Interstate 49 extension from Alma to Barling.
Everyone wants to see it completed. The segment in Arkansas that's missing, they want to see it completed. Any funding like this, any extra funding that we can put toward it is greatly appreciated.
Ellen Coulter with the Arkansas Department of Transportation says federal grants of this magnitude speak volumes.
This is an investment in Arkansas. It's a vote of confidence in Arkansas. Investing in our infrastructure is so important for economic development and for growth in our state.
And those are only 2 of the projects I just touched on. Also, $11 million going toward Highway 412 corridor improvements, with $3 million helping the next phase of road widening along Highway 112. Reporting in studio, Casey Smith, KNWA Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Casey.